The 2018 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, fog lights, heated front seats, compass, trip computer, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, body color door handles, leather shift knob, power rear window sunshade. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.